The Sinkion Wilderness, a wild and raw piece of Northern California, dense with old-growth forest and a treacherous seascape. It's a part of the state known as the Lost Coast because this area was so rugged that Highway 1 could not be built here. But if you have a high-clearance vehicle, you'll find that people actually live out here. This is Gulch School, the only K-12 public school in California that's completely off the grid.
We do not have power. This is a total solar school. I think the power stopped 5 to 6 miles back a ways.
Gulch is a part of the Leggett School District in Mendocino County, and apart from being disconnected from modern amenities, the school functions just like any other school. Why is everyone wearing pajamas today?
Well, John, it's Spirit Week.
Spirit Week.
So each day is a different dress up, and today is Pajama Day.
Brenda Bullington is the site coordinator here at Gulch, and her job is to make sure that everything is working properly. What is this noise we're hearing right here?
This is the generator. I'll show you. This is our backup.
Between the lights, the computers, and the new digital chalkboard, the school uses a lot of power. So when the clouds block the solar panels, the propane-powered generator kicks in. Most of the time.
No. I've had to bring my car down here and jump the generator when we only had one. No, we've done I do everything.
Brenda wears a lot of hats. In fact, another hat she wears is manager of the school's water treatment plant. You have your own water treatment plant here, essentially?
Yes, we do.
Brenda says the school's water comes from a creek up the hill, and it's gravity fed through a pipe that goes down to a series of filters.
So it goes through these filters, and then this little guy, and then gets chlorinated, and then goes up to that distribution tank.
This year, the enrollment at Gulch is 48 kids, and they all share about a half a dozen teachers and instructors. Many of the grades actually learn in the same classrooms together, and that's okay with Claire Kaufman, who's one of the 3 seniors this year.
We had a graduating class of 1. There was 1 year when we didn't have any graduates.
Claire's been going to Gulch since kindergarten and says she really loves going to school here. There's just one problem. There's no prom. What is it like, what's the dating scene like in high school here?
Non-existent.
Now, you may be asking yourself, why would parents choose to live and enroll their kids here in Gulch?
Grow your own food, build your own house, raise your kids. We just wanted to get back to the land. It was the beginning of the Back to the Land movement.
Sandy Tillis is one of the founders of Gulch School. She says as more families moved to the area in the 1960s and 70s, it became apparent that they couldn't drive their kids the hour and a half to the nearest school in Leggett.
We were all building our homes. We hired one master builder, and he organized all the volunteers.
The first years were a little tough. Kids actually learned inside of a yurt, but after some hard work and years of negotiating with the Mendocino County education system, the community eventually built a school of their own and officially joined the Leggett School District.
We have fabulous staff, and we have wonderful parents that continue to work to keep this school vital and alive.
There's no cell phone signal, no malls, no movie theater, or no easy road out of Gulch. Nature in this small community is what all the students grew up with, and for those graduating, it's something they'll miss.
One thing I'm gonna miss is definitely just the community and just the relationships that I have with all of the students and the teachers. I feel like I'm very close with everybody.
From the remote community of Gulch in the Sinkion Wilderness, I'm John Bartell.